Hey there, farmers! If you're looking to maximize your Cascara harvest, you've come to the right place. I'm going to share 10 killer tips to ensure you get the best possible yield from your Cascara crops. So let's dive in. Tip number 1. Choose the right variety. Not all Cascara trees are created equal. Select a variety that's well suited to your climate and soil conditions. Trust me, this makes a world of difference. Tip number 2. Soil preparation. Cascara trees love well-drained, fertile soil. Make sure to enrich your soil with organic matter like compost before planting. Healthy soil means healthy trees. Tip number 3, proper spacing. Give your trees enough room to grow. Space them about 15 to 20 feet apart to ensure they get ample sunlight and air circulation. Crowded trees can lead to poor yield and disease. Tip number 4, water wisely. Cascara trees need consistent moisture, especially during the first few years. Deep watering once a week should do the trick. Avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Tip number 5, pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain tree health and improves fruit production. Remove dead or diseased branches and thin out crowded areas. This keeps the tree vigorous and productive. Tip number 6, mulching. A thick layer of mulch around the base of the tree retains moisture and suppresses weeds. Organic mulch like wood chips or straw works wonders. Just keep it a few inches away from the trunk to prevent rot. Tip number 7, pest control. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids and caterpillars. Use natural predators like ladybugs or organic sprays to keep them in check. Healthy trees are less susceptible to pests. Tip number 8, fertilization. Cascara trees benefit from a balanced fertilizer applied in early spring. Look for one that's high in nitrogen to promote leafy growth. Always follow the recommended dosage to avoid over-fertilization. Tip number 9, harvesting at the right time. Timing is crucial for Cascara. Harvest the berries when they turn from green to a deep red or black, but before they get too soft. This ensures the highest quality yield. Tip number 10, post-harvest care. After harvesting, dry the Cascara berries properly to prevent mold. Spread them out in a single layer in a well-ventilated area. Once dried, store them in a cool, dry place. And there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to a bumper Cascara harvest. Thanks for watching and happy farming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more farming tips and tricks. Catch you next time.